Girls versus recipes. Welcome. Today we're going to be doing something that's going to take a couple of days. So we're going to get started on it today.
Why is it a couple of days?
Because it has to refrigerate overnight.
Oh.
Yeah.
So. I don't know. When you say a couple of days, I'm like picturing like a week-long situation here.
Nah, we're advanced from that.
Have we?
I love cheesecake. We love cheesecake. If you guys haven't seen, we have a no bake cheesecake video. I'll put that right above Jennifer here. But today we want to do Christmassy, so Jennifer was like, "Why don't we just make it pepperminty?"
Love peppermint.
So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do peppermint Oreo.
No bake cheesecake.
No bake. Yeah, it's a no bake cheesecake as well.
Yes.
So it's super easy, and let's get started. Let us go for it. If only I had my shirt. It's coming in the mail, as you should yours, if you got them.
Okay, so crush Oreos in food processor and add melted butter and sugar.
Okay. So let me grab the blender.
We don't have a food processor yet.
Okay. Here's this.
Oh, thank you.
And this. Perfect. So on the recipe it says 22.
But I ate one.
But I think there's like a pack of 30 something. Should we just do like, count it up?
So precise.
4. Yay! And we have stuff to eat.
Alright.
And then the melted butter, right?
Yes.
Woohoo!
Wait, no, crush. It says crush Oreos in food processor and add melted butter and sugar. Do we crush them first and then we add it?
I don't know.
Let's crush it first. I get scared.
If only we got a food processor.
If only we had a food processor. Just putting that out into the universe.
If anybody wants to send us a food processor, Santa, talking to you, buddy. Come on, buddy, you can make it.
We should have smashed them.
I know. I mean, we still can.
Should have gotten the pre-made ones.
I know. This is what I get.
Nothing wrong with pre-made things.
Oh, I almost saved that.
On the one hand, we could call it quits.
Yay!
On the other hand, we wouldn't be doing a very good job now, would we?
But like, look at it. I like my chunks big.
My chunks big. I mean, it's up to you now.
Well, we're gonna be pressing it, right? So like, it'll get squished eventually.
This is why you need a food processor, folks.
Get us a food processor.
This is great.
It's so blended. Oh my god.
Perhaps we should have done it in like batches or like in small doses.
Probably. But you know, when you don't have smarticles, you just don't see it often. But at least I counted them out.
So for you at home that don't have a food processor, don't put all 22 Oreos in there right away.
Or buy the store-bought.
Or buy the store-bought. That works too. This is when you gotta use your hands. You're supposed to squish it and then have it go up the sides a little bit. Does that look like crust?
Mm-hmm. It looks like yummy, delicious squished cookies.
Exactly what we want in life.
So now we're gonna put that in the fridge for 30 minutes.
Okay, so it's 7:40, so 8:10.
8:10. We're gonna work on the filling now.
So in this bowl,
The cream cheese.
Cream cheese and sugar. That's 1 cup sugar.
It's gonna be 18 ounces of
16 ounces.
16 ounces of cream cheese.
for licking me out.
How the fuck do we open this?
With scissors.
Oh.
You want to beat it?
How? Oh god. I'm just nervous.
Why?
I don't know. Oh god, how do I start this? Hello?
Push it.
Oh.
Oh no.
Turn it off?
And then we set that aside.
Set it aside. How does one clean?
Careful.
With our fingers?
What is with you and fingers?
Shake it! Shake it! What? Did I mention fingers earlier? What do I even say? Are we gonna use these again?
Yes.
Should they be dirty?
No.
Should I clean them?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now we are going to whip heavy cream and powdered sugar until stiff peaks form. So we got a 4-cup powdered sugar. And we got 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream. Hi. What's up? How are you doing today? Were you being mean to Perry earlier?
He would never.
Huh? Were you being mean to Perry? I think you were. You can't even look at me. Hawkeye, look at me. Hawkeye. Were you being mean to Perry? Huh? Avoid my gaze if you were being mean. You admit it. You admit it.
Damn, but that after you said you admitted that stare. Okay, so shut up.
You saw nothing.
Okay, so these are clean.
Fantastic.
Hello. Thanks.
Okay. And then we whip this until stiff peaks. You see the little flex everywhere? We're just making it snow. I think that looks stiff. And then we gently fold and blend cream cheese mixture into whipped cream mixture. You wanna hold? So we have, forgot how much extra. A teaspoon of peppermint.
Ooh.
And then we need red food coloring.
Got red food coloring. How much?
6 drops.
Gotta open this first. Ow. Oh no, I'm bleeding! Just kidding. Laugh, it's a joke. How many? 6? 7?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is nice and pink. You can't even tell in this camera, but in this camera you probably can. It's cute. Woo! Now what?
Woo!
Now we just wait for the crust.
Now we wait for the crust. We got
10 minutes.
Yeah.
6. Okay, so it's been
Half an hour.
half an hour.
Yeah.
Now we're just gonna pour it in.
Now we're just gonna, scoop that on in there.
What?
Is it a palopper?
Just slapping it on there. Oh my god.
Okay, well that's done then. What is that face?
It's actually pretty good.
Oh.
Like I thought the
You
peppermint.
made a face like it was bad.
No, like the peppermint was like. I thought it would be stronger than it is, but it's like
It's very
nice.
subtle.
Yeah, it's
Very
nice.
subtle.
can't wait to eat this.
All right. Well,
Perfect. So now, should we cover it?
it doesn't say to cover. It just says refrigerate. So I don't think so. And we're gonna put it in that drawer anyway. So
True. I don't know. I don't want it to taste like fridge.
well, if you want to cover it. I just hate plastic wrap so much.
Why do you hate it?
Because it hates me.
Why does it hate you?
Because it doesn't want to do the thing that I need it to do. And then I yell at it and call it names.
Okay, well then I'll take care of that then.
Christmas dessert done.
Yes.
Well, for now. We'll see you in about 4 hours. Or tomorrow.
Or the next day.
Or the day after that. We really don't know.
In the fridge. I didn't flip that, but I did turn that on, right? It just has to be a little bit above the fridge so Jennifer can fit completely
Huh.
in her top of
I got
her
the-
Am I
fridge.
taller than the fridge?
Yeah, girl.
Really? No way. We're like the same height.
We're like the same height.
What?
Me and the fridge.
What about you in the fridge?
We're like the same height.
Are the same height?
I don't know. I can't see how tall I am.
You're taller than the fridge. Go stand next to
I
it.
did. It was like, that's my hair.
Because you're looking down.
You alone.
Alright, now we got that on film, so we can use it.
So it's
I'm
been
crying.
so it's been about a day and a half that we have put the peppermint cheesecake in the fridge. So now we're gonna try it.
My eyes are real. I'm sorry. What was the last thing that we tried to
Oops.
make? The involved crust. It was like a pie of some sort, and it was like all jiggly. I'm glad this is not jiggly.
The fruit tart.
Yeah. Dark times, man.
So we're just gonna sprinkle some of these canes on top just for a little color. Little peppermint sugar canes.
Oh, you're doing it so pretty now. It's like, get on there.
Now let's try it.
How does one put into this?
Very carefully.
Oh. I never would have guessed.
Just want a small piece.
Well, I got you a big plate.
How
How do you cut that? How did you cut that?
wrong?
Oh.
I didn't get any crust at all.
Wow. It's hard. It's hard.
Oh, whoa. Oh my god.
Suck at this game.
You're usually the one that cuts them, so I took initiative and look at me, I should have not ever tried. Yay, cookies.
Well, probably also didn't help that a lot of our cookies were pretty, or part of our crust is pretty thick of just full-on cookie. That's all you want?
Yeah. How big do you want your
I
crust?
don't know. I'll take that.
Oh, you're a professional. That was a clean ass cut. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that was so clean.
Well, you know.
Look at mine, and then hers. Like super. Alright, you want to try this?
Yeah.
Get some of the Oreo in there, some of the sugar cane.
Ready?
Cheers.
Think.
Oh.
Sorry.
Mmm.
I still like that the peppermint is super light.
Mhm.
That's great. Going with the Oreo? Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
This is dangerous now.
Mmm. Yeah, very good.
One more time?
It's really good.
Would I want to eat a lot of this in one sitting? Probably not.
I would.
I ate a lot of sweets today, so maybe I'm just like sugared it out. But
I really like the crust.
mm-hmm.
Like, I know we had issues with it.
Did we?
But
Oh my gosh.
only we got a food processor. But it's really good.
Perfect Christmas dessert, but does not take that long or that many ingredients.
Do you think it's a lot like denser because we left it in for a day and a half?
No,
Like it would have been the same after 4 hours?
probably.
There you go.
Because it doesn't, like, even after the 4 hours, you can still put it back in the refrigerator and it's still the same thing.
You're right. I think this is a definite win.
Mm-hmm.
Definite win.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Redemption.
So we can do cheesecakes, we can't do fruit tarts or whatever that shenanigan was.
We will one day.
Nah, we'll make it to a cheesecake.
Custard cheesecake?
We can do it.
That sounds bomb.
Would that be like creme brulee almost? I don't know.
I don't know. I've never had creme brulee. Not fancy.
Me neither. I don't have a blowtorch.
I can get a blowtorch. So that was us making peppermint cheesecake. It's so good, so delicious.
I'm still going.
Yes. Make sure that you do this for your Christmas celebration, or if you really like peppermint.
'Tis the season.
Yeah. Check out Jennifer's cat sweater here. Look at the expression on its face.
First time I saw it, I couldn't stop laughing for like 2 hours.
It's a pretty good sweater.
It is a very good sweater.
So make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Make sure you go to Jennifer's blog, that is novelwhisperer.com. Check out our merch line. The link is in the description. We got new shirts, new design. So go ahead and check that out. Check out the other ones as well. Buy something we would really appreciate. Please.
We need money for ingredients.
Yes.
Or
We need just money in like general, but for ingredients, more than usual.
so that we can eat.
Yeah. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like, comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye.